Alright, here for a bench talk.
Benchtalk!
Got Buzzboy FPV, we got Lee, Outcast FPV. We got some other guys over here, let me pan over so you can check them out, say hello. We got Daniel, you got Daniel, and Scott, and Regan, and Arthur, and Shane. And all the guys all here. We just had some snags. Yeah. Gonna talk some shit for a bit. Yeah. What's been going on, Darren?
What's been going on? No, yeah, not too much.
I got this Immersion RC Power Play. Pretty bloody good. The internal batteries are crap. I don't like them. Apart from that, it's great DVR.
What do you mean? What batteries are in?
18500 lithium ions. So they last like a full day recording, but I mean it's sort of expected to be a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Bye, Shane.
I remember you next time. See you, man. Arthur's off, so say
whenever you want
goodbye.
it too, bro.
Yeah,
He's done for the day.
We'll give you your oral next week.
Man, off already.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright, have fun.
Alright, chuck my goggles out of the sun.
That is so cool. Dad, let's watch.
So we're here at North Harbour ripping some spots, and yeah, been pretty good so far. It's freaking hot.
Don't have to say that.
You running RPM filters now?
Yeah, it's only on one quad at the moment. One's dead.
One's dead.
Yep.
What's wrong with your quad?
Something popped on one of the boards in the ESC. I made a one. It wants to splatter. So yeah. Yeah, I know. That's alright. That's alright. I'm going to put a pyro drain in.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah, we're going to give it a go. See what it's all about.
Yeah, cool.
It was that or put a radix in it with a hobby wing. But nobody in Australia has hobby wings.
That's because they're terrible.
Oh, really?
Trying to rort me on my V.
Trying to rope me in your V. Trying to rope me in my string. Video, mate.
Hey, I'm stealing my drink back.
Yeah. I got an esky here I brought for the guys that put all their drinks in. So, because you know I'm a nice guy.
No sponsorship necessary.
Yeah, V, hit us up. Plug in the merch. Plug in the merch. Alright, so shit, what am I doing? Oh, pardon me. Alright, let's have a look around. Let's have a look around first. Okay. So, oh, I got this little thing. Alright.
Do you want it? Just staring at your batteries, mate. He's spying on you.
There's nowhere to land.
I landed on my bag. On that Mavic.
Yeah,
there's plenty of places. Too many excuses, mate. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So he's actually running the Fat Shark strap so he can put it on the back of his goggles. Because Pinky has a 2-inch strap, he can't fit it to the back of his head. You done a mod, or you running the 18500s to power your goggles?
Yeah.
How long does that last?
One session. Almost.
Wow. And then how long does it take to charge?
Same, half hour.
You charge it through USB or?
No.
Oh, you pull them out? Yeah, okay.
Well, that
that's cool. What up? Subscribe to Neo3 FPV. Awesome pilot. He's got a killer channel, always makes videos. He's getting into the racing scene recently, aren't you? And the micros. He's loving that. Nothing wrong with it. Look at all these goodies.
Can't wait to race this.
Look at all these goodies. So what'd you do with these? You put spaces in there to make it a bit more like...
So it fits your face.
Yeah, cool. No, that's the go, man. That's awesome. Daniel stuff. The other Daniel. Not you, Daniel. There's two Daniels next to each other. Hey, you got a Vortex.
Yeah.
I didn't know you had one.
Actually flies pretty good, eh?
Yeah?
Like smooth as anything.
Cool.
And yeah, 6S.
Yeah, boy. Infinities.
Infinity.
I haven't tried these ones.
Oh, they go alright. Yeah, 120C.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no, that's cool, man.
Hell yeah.
That's awesome. What do you reckon 6S over 4S?
Oh man, so much better. Like,
Yeah?
sag is just yeah, not there.
Yeah.
Like 4S, you'll punch out and it'll be like, ooh, but 6S, it just go, go, go. Like, yeah, there's no comparison.
Sick, man. No, glad to hear you
on the 6S train.
I'm glad you're liking it, and yeah, no, it's good, man. Glad you finally gave it a try. And
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Also, yep, I'm running 2450 on 6S.
So you're running the motor output limiting? Yeah, cool. And that's working well for you?
That's working well. Like, I was quite surprised how it turned out.
You don't get many PID like issues or anything like that? You don't desync or?
No,
No
surprisingly
desyncs.
not. I just got my original PIDs. I copied them over the profiles, made auto cell count 6S.
Yeah,
So I
cool.
plugged in a battery, took it for a fly the other day, and yeah, I think it flew pretty well. The motors came down, you know, at a nice temperature.
Yeah.
I was expecting them to actually come down red hot, but I felt them. I'm like, oh yeah.
Oh, sick.
But no, it felt. You
So
know,
the auto cell count, that means you can just plug in 4S and it will fly like a 4S, and you plug in 6S and it automatically applies the motor limiting and stuff like that.
exactly right.
So
you
it's a
can-
4S and a 6S quad essentially.
So it's a 2-in-1, and
That's awesome.
And the good
Best
thing
of both
is,
worlds.
you can also set up your 6S. So I've set mine for 1750 kV, but the beauty of it is if you want 1800 kV, you can just simply go back into the CLI and change your percentage.
Yeah.
And you can up the kV or you can lower the kV. And then if you want to run 4S, you can make it so the limit's off on 4S.
Yeah.
And that's automatically done by the battery you plug in, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's shit hot. Yeah. Well, guys, you heard it from himself, Daniel. Or what is it?
DJ FPV.
That's it, DJ FPV. So subscribe to him. I'll try and throw a channel for all these guys up the top. So the little card, be a little. I think it's an eye with a circle in the top right corner. Click on that, it drops down. You can subscribe to all these channel. Daniel Bourne. We got Neo 3. We got DJ FPV. We got Scotty. I don't think he's got a YouTube yet. We got Raygun FPV. We got over here, we got Darren Buzzboy FPV. Most of you guys know him from the previous 2 bench talks.
You've ejected the battery. Ejected battery.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's hanging. She's
Oh, no.
not even on there. That was epic. I got that on film. Yeah.
Oh,
Bloody.
There you go, Buzzboy FPV. If you want to see crashes, sub to his YouTube channel.
Breaking dot.
No, he's going to upload heaps of crashes to his YouTube.
Fastest goes behind.
Alright, go.
And you got Unleashed Adventures. He's making some killer edits, going to killer spots.
Yeah, mate. It's
Doing-
all with,
doing
and with the
heaps.
kids too. I got to take these 2 little monkeys with me everywhere. So
You got to do it. Look
wherever
after
I
the
go,
family.
the girls come with me.
Oh, it's good getting them into it too. So,
Bloody oath.
oh, awesome, man.
Awesome day.
So yeah, it's a great day. It's a killer spot too.
Pure good, Dazza?
I might actually have a bit of a walk around, and you got some electric skateboards and stuff. We got an electric bike. You know, you got some
There, mate.
RC cars. It's pretty cool.
With the camera inbuilt.
Oh, with the camera. Is this yours?
Yeah.
Yeah, sick. We'll have to do some chasing.
That's what I was going to talk to you about.
Yeah, buddy. No, that'd be mad.
It's all charged, ready to rock.
Plugging
sick.
in R3.
Yeah. What do you reckon of these? You like them?
I do, actually.
Yeah. I think they're not bad too.
I can't tell a lot of difference between the 1250 and the black line.
Yep.
And from a
Yeah,
couple
they're
of
very,
bucks
very
difference.
close. The only difference is price
Yeah, that's it.
and colour. I'm getting some Ovonics, so I'm keen to see how they go. And you know, I've already had some, and they go alright. So I think they're sending me new ones or new versions. So we'll see how that turns out.
We'll have a go at those. We'll let them know how they fly.
Yeah, we'll definitely give everyone a go and see what their thoughts are on the pack, and yeah, go from there. I think everyone's keen. All right. Well, let's go spy on Daniel while he's flying.
Thanks for spying.
Secretly spying without him even knowing I'm right next to him. He will never know I'm here. Well, there's Spectrum, mate. You can fly Spectrum. DX9. Watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh, look, Crossfire! Bitches!
R7 going.
Yes, you can run Crossfire full CRSF protocol through a serial UART mod. Me and Daniel did ourselves.
It's pretty easy too,
Very easy, isn't it?
as long as you get it soldering.
As long as you got a DX9, you can do it. if you don't have a DX9, you're stuffed.
One thing I forgot to mention to you guys, if you're wanting to try the 6S on high kV motors, please make sure your electronics are 6S rated. Anything that's connected to battery voltage, otherwise you're going to fry things. So yeah, I just thought I should mention that.
That's like a given, but yeah. You'd think so.
Have you done that?
What, fried stuff or?
Yeah, from plugging the 6S into 4S.
We done it back in the day. So before 6S ESCs come out, we flew 6S on 4S ESCs, TBS 25 amp, 2600 kV motors.
I'm not going
right.
to.
This is back when we had 5x3 props.
Oh right.
And this is Skitzer.
Oh yeah.
And it was all good. The whole pack, he flew like, and it was freaking fast. No desyncs, no nothing.
Yeah.
When he came into land and disarmed,
You're okay.
the brake on stop, the current spike just went bang and just exploded the ESC.
shit.
Burst into flames and shit. It's like, fuck. But yeah, it was good show, good video. That's on my YouTube too.
Oh yeah. You can check that one out then.
That's like one of my really early ones from when I first like got with Skitzer and started flying. Yeah, I miss that guy. He was a good pilot. He was really fun to fly with too. He always found like things no one else would. But, yeah. Anyway, I should probably put this down and rip some packs myself.
Oh yeah.
I like this idea.
Yeah boy.
That was a power
Charging
line.
in the field. Yes, there's a power line over there.
Yeah, almost hit it. I might go over and grind it next pack.
Alright, cool. Alright guys, well there you have it. There's the bench talk and you guys are still ripping, having fun. It's a killer spot. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you know, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. That way you can, you know, keep it informed, see the videos when they come out. You know, drop a like, comment below if you want to see me do a video on something. If you want to ask a question, I'm more than happy to help you guys. Definitely hit us up. We got a Facebook group called FPV Oz, so I definitely recommend joining that. You know, a bunch of friendly guys always willing to help. There's no rules basically, just don't be a dick. You can share whatever, share your flight videos, share pictures, you know, ask questions, ask for help, do whatever you need to do. More than welcome. So distracted. Ripping around me with the 3-inch. So yeah, make sure you check out all these guys' channels because you know they do some killer videos and they're awesome pilots. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and I hope you enjoy the freestyle. Let's rip some packs now. I've been here for 3 hours and we'll rip a pack. So hope you enjoy.